visit my friend's restaurant the other day and I was shocked. Hey friends, welcome to a new video. I'm just coming on here to give you guys a very quick little video and just to share a little bit of shocking something that I found out just the other day. So yeah, that's what this video is about. Hello everybody, I hope you guys are fine. Hello to all my new subscribers. Hope you guys are doing well also. So let's get into the video. So I went to visit my friend's restaurant the other day and I was shocked. Yes guys, I was shocked because I found out that people cook frozen food, like meat, frozen meat, without thawing it out. Yes guys, they cook frozen meat like beef, chicken, lamb without thawing it out. I was shocked beyond shocked. Did you ever know that? Let me ask the question, do you do that? Do you cook meat without thawing it out first? I've never seen that in my life. Never. I was never taught that. I didn't know anybody doing that, but lo and behold, I found out a certain nationality group of people do that. I don't want to call names because I don't want you guys to come for me in the comment. But anyways, I was told that that's how they do it. They just put the meat in the pot, they put the seasoning on it, and it cook. Well, I said to my friend, I said, I will never be eating from this kitchen ever again if I know that these people are the ones who cook the meals and when it's their turn to cook for the restaurant. I will not be eating here because I don't want to be eating frozen meat that's not thawed out. I don't know, it's could be my thing, it's just me or whatever, but that's something I don't want to cook. But the owner told me that this is not the way they cook their food in their restaurant. They allow the meat to thaw before they make their food, but their kitchen is used by some other people who also have cook food and sell food and have parties and get together, but they also use the restaurant kitchen, like they rent out the kitchen to them, or a certain time of the day when the kitchen is not being used, because sometimes of the day they don't sell food, they sell like patties and different things, and a certain time in the afternoon they sell food, and then that's when the kitchen is being used. But anyways guys, this is the shocking news I want to tell you guys. So do you know of anyone who cook their meat without thawing it out? Or is it part of your culture, like I was told, to just put frozen meat in a pot and cook it like that? I mean, I don't want to say anything negative about anybody who does that, but this is not something I am used to or something that I know. I was always taught to thaw my meat out, so that's what I did. But anyways, that's the shocking news. So today I'm about to cook dinner and I want to show you guys how to just thaw out your meat really, really, really fast. It's really fast and very easy to do that in 15 to 20 minutes, and it depends on how big the piece of meat is, or you could even get it to thaw out quicker. And come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you, okay? Let me take you out of your suspense. All right, let's go. So in my pot I have my chicken, a frozen chicken I just take out of the freezer. And here I have my kosher salt. As you can see, I love to use kosher salt because I just find it works well. The grains are they're big, and there are two sizes. You can buy the fine one or you can buy the mid grain. And this is my kosher salt. All I'm going to do is just dip one, not even a full spoon of salt, like this. And then I am going to sprinkle the salt inside the water. Then I already made a hole in my chicken here. Then I'm going to turn it over in the water. And there, my chicken is in the water. And in 15-20 minutes, my chicken is going to be fully thawed out. And this is it, guys. A very simple way to thaw out your chicken without no fuss. So, guys, this is the way I thaw out my meat. Very simple, very easy, using kosher salt. And I know somebody is going to say, well, aren't you putting a lot of salt on this meat? Well, once the meat is thawed out, you just wash it off. That's all. You just wash the salt off and you're good to go. And you don't have to put any more salt in your meat if you don't want to, if you think your meat is going to be too salty. But usually it's not salty at all. So this method, it's like, you know, like when you have snow outside and you put salt on the snow melts. Okay? So this is exactly what is happening. When you put meat inside salt water, it just thaws out the meat very quickly. And something else salt does, it helps to pull out like blood from your meat. So it kind of clean the meat in a way. It kind of disinfect and clean the meat. So that is why you use salt. And that's a really good fast way to thaw out your meat, guys. So I just thought I'll show you all that. And I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable to you. And comment in the bottom, guys. Comment in the bottom. I'm just so like anxious. Not anxious. I'm so like, I am so curious to know if any of you use salt to thaw your meat out, or if you just do like the people at the restaurant, just throw your meat inside a pot because you just want it to be done, or just put it in your slow cooker or whatever. Let me know. I'm dying to hear from you guys. As usual, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And think beautiful thoughts in your brain. And remember, you're beautiful. Ciao, ciao. I'll see you in the next one.